So the project's starting on this car, 06 M45, and it's dead. No battery, dead engine, so I can't really drive it anywhere. The steering wheel is locked, so how do we unlock this, alright? So get your key in hand. Set that there for now. Go here, get power, hook it up. That's all hooked up. This one right here, hooking up to the negative. Sparked a little, it's alright. Then come here, turn on your car to, well, so it's locked, right? Well, there you go. That says lock. 1. That unlocks the car. It's weird how it skips over here. Probably something broken. Anyway, at this point, I can turn the wheels. Hard as hell, but it's possible. Then go back outside. And at this point, just unhook that. You're gonna lose the lights and all that, but the steering wheel remains unlocked at this point. So there you go. And that is how you go about unlocking that for a project car.